Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel, exploring contemporary curtain design ideas for modern home decor. Provides a wealth of inspiration to elevate the aesthetics and functionality of your living spaces. Curtains are integral to any room's ambience, and today's trends in curtain design seamlessly blend style and utility. One prominent trend is the use of natural and sustainable materials for curtain fabrics. Linen, cotton, and even bamboo curtains not only introduce an eco-friendly touch but also bring a sense of airiness and comfort to the space. In terms of color and pattern, contemporary curtains often showcase bold and eclectic choices, geometric patterns, vibrant prints, and rich deep hues and character and flair into rooms, serving as focal point in your decor. Curtain hardware and accessories have also evolved to offer a range of styles from minimalistic and unobtrusive to ornate and decorative roots, rings, and tiebacks can accentuate under curtain designs, contributing to a cohesive and stylish look. Curtain designs and styles vary, with floor to ceiling drapes and sheer curtains being particularly popular. These choices help create the illusion of higher ceilings and maximize natural light, contributing to a contemporary and open feel. Incorporating smart curtain solutions like monitored systems and light filtering curtains reflects the integration of technology into home decor. These features provide both convenience and energy efficiency. In summary, contemporary curtain design ideas and modern curtains trends are essential in defining the personality of your living spaces. By embracing these trends, you can create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere in your home, showcasing your unique style and enhancing the overall aesthetics and functionality of your decor. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.